guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Candace and I post videos on motherhood. Can I finish my intro? Are you gonna let me talk to them? Let's try that again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Candace. I post videos on motherhood, lifestyle, beauty, and I also do some vlogging. If that sounds like something you like, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. So a little while ago, I posted a video on the Wild Bird ring sling and how to wear your baby using the ring sling. So I mentioned in that video that I would use the Moby wrap with my oldest daughter. So I wanted to show you guys today how to wear your baby using a Moby wrap. This also applies to the boba wrap as well. And there are a few other brands that is basically the same concept, just different companies. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So Raina is 10 months old now. So the way that I'm going to show you is for a little bit of a larger baby, not necessarily a newborn, but I will go over steps on what you would do differently if you have a newborn, because it is slightly different. Hopefully she cooperates with me today because she seems to be really excited and energetic. I don't think she's gonna really let me do a too much in-depth intro, but if you guys are interested in purchasing a Moby wrap, they sell them at Target, Walmart, Bye Bye Baby. You can really get these things just about anywhere. I'll link some of the places down below of where you can purchase your Moby wrap. Hi. Wanna say hi? Hi? Raina. Hi. Hi. Good job. Alright guys, so if you're interested in learning how to wear your baby using a Moby wrap or any of those other similar brands, keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the Moby wrap. It is literally like a extremely long piece of fabric. Look, it's like never ending. Okay, so it's a really long piece of fabric. So when you get your wrap, what you want to do, let's shake it open. It's gonna be about this long or this wide, like this way wide, and you want to find your tab that says Moby. Some of them just have a little circle. Some of them look like this. This part will be different depending on the brand and when you purchase it, because they do change their look or whatever. So you want to basically fold it in half. Okay, fold it in half like this as best you can. You don't have to go from one end to the other end because, like I said, this thing is ridiculously long, so that's impossible. So fold it in half, and so now it should look a little something like this. You want to take that tab where it has the brand name and basically put it right where your belly button is. Just where your belly button is, okay? Then you're going to wrap this behind you. Let me turn around. And you want to bring it, oh my gosh, over the shoulder. Okay, and try to get this as flat as possible across your back, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. Bring it over the shoulder, and it should look like this in the front. Now be sure that when you get to this portion that the tabs open up on the inside. It should be like little inside pockets. If they're facing outward, if your pockets open up this way, then you've done it incorrectly and start over. So you got your pockets facing inward. Both my pockets are inward and it's still folded in half. And now what I'm going to do, I can adjust it a little more here. I'm going to bring it back up over my belly and just kind of pull this up a little bit. Pull this up a little bit. And I'm going to just take these two together, jumble this up, and tuck it through the bottom. Okay, so once you pull your fabric through the bottom, you want to cross them this way. Okay, cross them. So it should look like this now. And then you're going to just wrap it behind you. You can tie it here if you like. I like to bring mine back to the front, make sure it's really secure. And if you're very petite, you may want to wrap it one more time. This part just depends on your body. So I wrap mine in the front. I don't like to wrap mine in the back. I like it in the front because if I need to adjust it or tighten it a little bit as we go through the day, then it's right there. It just makes me feel more comfortable, but I think that's preference. So I just tie it once, tie it one more time, and make sure it's a nice knot. Your wrap should look a little bit something like this. You should have your pockets that open inward. You should have this, your tab should still be sitting close to where your belly button is. Mine is here. Okay, and then you have your tie here. And this fabric for the Moby wrap, it is stretchy, so don't be afraid to make it just a tiny bit tighter, just so you know it'll give, so you have that extra security, and when you put your baby in, it stretches, so you're fine. Let me go ahead and grab Raina and I'll be right back. All right, so our model is back. So, oh hi mama, is somebody sleepy? Uh-oh, somebody's sleepy. Okay, let me try and do this before she gets fussy with me. All right, so first I'm going to show you what you would do if you have a newborn, and I'm going to try my best. It just depends on what she'll allow me to do because I don't want to make it too uncomfortable for her. Oh, that is my hair. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and put them in the burping position. Now you have two pockets, right? One here, and then you have one here. You want to stick them in the pocket that is closest to your body, so the inner pocket, okay? So I'm just gonna open that pocket up here. Hi, mama. Hi, mama. Okay, okay, somebody's sleepy and wants to nurse. And just stick her in there like that. Then I'm gonna take the other one. Oh, yeah. And tuck it. Okay. Tuck her in here. Okay, so when you tuck them in the first pocket, pull this fabric right on up over, and then tuck them this way and pull the fabric up over. And then you want to just take the tab down here where you have your Moby, and you pull it like that, okay? This is a newborn position. Obviously, your baby's going to be a lot smaller as a newborn, so they're able to lay and rest on you, and you can even kind of tuck the head in a little bit. I used to use this position to also nurse. It's super convenient, but I'm going to take her out of this position because it may be a little uncomfortable for her. Hi, Mama. Now let me show you what I do now with her being this size. Raina is actually a little sleepy, so she's starting to get fussy. So I'm going to try and show you this as quickly as possible and see what she allows me to do. So at this size, at 10 months old, what you want to do is still go with that inner pocket first. And I just put one of her legs through there, right? You do that, hold the bum as you take that pocket and slide that fabric up for some security. Then you take the other leg and literally do the same thing with the other pocket. Slide that through and pull it up. They're pretty secure here, but for added protection, where your tab is, you just want to take those legs, bring them right through like that, and find the tab from earlier right here, and pull that up for back support. Once you go ahead and pull this up, make sure this part, the bottom part, is covering the bum, and your baby should look a little bit something like this in this position. Raina is very sleepy right now, so she keeps leaning her head to the side. If you realize that this is a problem for you, what you can do is whatever side they're tending to lay it to a little bit more, go ahead and bring their arm through that pocket and pull that piece of fabric up to support the neck, and they can go to sleep just like that. You're still hands-free. Okay. You're still hands-free and their neck is supported. All right, guys, so Raina is getting very sleepy, so I'm going to go ahead and put her down for a nap. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you have any questions or you didn't understand something, please feel free to comment down below, and I will definitely be sure to answer that question for you. I will leave below links of where you can purchase your own Moby wrap, and I'll see you guys in the next video.